Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This is a different one for me. I'm at Killarney Motor Show. I thought I'd give you guys a video. I haven't posted on a Sunday in ages, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Quite a lot of action, a lot of cars. It's been a good event. Well done, Killarney. Sounds kind of nice. It's fancy. I love checking out the race car interiors. Got a Motec M150 in it. That's a proper ECU. This is I think it's a Janetta. This is very cool. So I really want to do buttons on my steering wheel, and I think I'm going to buy something like this so that I can put it behind my Momo, because race car, the nice Motec dash feels nice. This is good. This race mini looks proper. Check that out. That's some big carbs on it. Very cool. Very clean challenge car. Looks very nice, especially because challenge is a contact sport. The mighty 8 valve. I'd like to get into circuit at some point, but it's way more expensive than hobbyist drag racing. Beautiful color. Oh, the seats are flipping nice as well. Flip, the rain's coming down. What a bummer. It's actually raining quite heavily now. It's coming down. Flip, I really hope that it stopped raining, because otherwise it'll be event over. V8 power Corolla. Doing 2000 RPM. There's like no RPM there. I really feel for these guys, all parked up, show and shine, and it's just so wet. This guy in particular is basically off-roading in the mud. This looks fantastic. I hate to admit it, but this front end has grown on me. This height, these wheels. Yep. That looks very nice. Got like custom badges in the back. These Polo cross wheels is doing the work. Just needs to be one size up. It's a bit too small for this car, but it looks good. Nice EF. I like this headlight duct. Yep, carbon intake is the business. I like the wheels on here. Looks great. E46 really is aging well. This dog is huge. Yo, he's massive. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this EK9. Got spoon brakes on it, everything. Flip, it's stripped out. 2 Ricardos, the Momo. This is actually flipping cool. This is actually so nice. I don't know if you can see anything in there, but yeah, this is tasty. Big turbo, boys. Sure, that exhaust manifold's looking a bit crusty. The mighty EGI. This is like a classic recipe. To Jay-Z. Always a treat seeing this car around. I haven't seen this car in person yet, I don't think. It does look quite fantastic. Bar the stickers. We don't have many custom show cars, but this one is as custom as they come. There's a lot going on here. Hectic. Definitely not my tea of the cup, but definitely lots of effort. This is quite cool. Big ball warner in here. Now this thing must make proper power. It's got big boy runners, but I mean it's got RPM. I'd love to know how much power it makes. GSI looks nice with the period correct TSWs. The half cage in it. Wonder if it's fast.
No way!
Big boy turbos.
Insane.
HX50, my word. But I mean, it's got displacement. This thing must make some serious power. What's this, 2 to 550s? Riyadh from International Rim Repair. This is his E36. It looks really good. I didn't even notice what it is. It looks very nice. Nice and low. Show you guys Vicky's Merc. After all the rain, shame the guys have to like wipe down, but car's looking good. It's been around for a while. You know, it's got the stance fenders. This is so nice. I used to be a big stance guy. I don't know if you guys know, but stance was life. And now I'm a big race boy. Oh, this is I saw this car in Musenberg, sorry, and I had a proper moment. It is gorgeous. This is, oh wow, yeah, this is nice. I had no idea it was this nice. Interior, everything. Sure, this is tasty. Something for the Mark II boys. Quentin from Q Beams. I had no idea it was his car. I think this car was green before, or maybe it's a different car. But he had one before that I saw he was lowering, and then I saw that this is the car that he's got. So I don't know what happened to the one he had before, but this thing looks proper. Oh my word, this thing looks so good. Oh goodness. GT2 on BBS wheels is what dreams are made of. My word, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is proper. Well done, sir. This Carrera is very nice. I haven't seen it in this color. Always see it in the Smurf blue. Wow. 2 RS flip. Take my money. This is my stuff, the race cars. Love looking at race cars. Oh, this Alpha looks good. These wheels, always like these wheels. Oh. This is cool. Lovely Momo in there. What on earth is that? That breather. This engine setup is proper. So the headers very nice. Probably import jobby. Ford race cars are cool. This is like the golden era of racing at Killarney. Oh, this is beautifully restored. This is the good stuff. That's the money shot. This Jetta looks so aggressive, I love it. This is cool. I haven't been to watch the circuit racing in a long time. I need to get out here again, watch these guys race. This Honda looks great.
Nice, huh?
K20 on big boy ITBs. Kinda wish it was the EG though. Yeah, big money stoppers. This is definitely a big budget build. Very nice. This is before my time. I would have loved to watch these guys race back in their heyday. Sorry about the compressor noise. That's so cool to see these old race cars. Beautiful Sirocco. Looks so nice in white. For the Mark II boys. Jetta looks cool. Big Mustang lineup. Very nice. Very nice. And then he looks cool too. Very clean TRD. This Chevy van looks awesome. Recently restored. Proper. No, that's cool. That's very cool. This thing is so cool. With the exposed turbos in the rear. Oh, that's a big single. Such a cool car and it sounds amazing. Nice turbo here as well. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm a big Porsche guy. Love these things. Fahad's Beetle and his uncle's Ford truck. Wow, the wind just got, wow, just picked up big time. Some rotary action. When we came through earlier, it was raining, but now to look at them in the light of the day, I wish I could hear them. I had to come back and look at this car. So windows open so I can show you guys what the interior looks like. A nice little naughty, looks like a replica wheel, but seats look nice. Looks like a legit naughty gear knob though. Very cool. Definitely carved the show for me. And here are the props. This thing is overfueling, as the Road 3s do. My word, that's potent. Okay, swap all the things. Very nice. But this Mark 1 is, the swap is very clean. There's some really big boys out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a good one. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.